Business is the engine that keeps the world turning. It's the source of products, livelihoods, and opportunities. Hi, I'm Terry Bradshaw. Whether your focus is B2B or B2C, join me as we explore some of today's leading enterprises. Technology is continually advancing, helping us to do things better, faster, and more efficiently. Let's take a look at the latest innovations.
From buses, trucks, and trains to construction, mining, and agricultural equipment, many of today's fleets incur the high and hidden costs associated with the outdated method of manual lubrication. Lubrication is a critical part of any preventative maintenance program and has a direct effect on fleet reliability. When performed manually, however, lubrication causes several challenges.
With today's intense deployment of fleet, many companies are struggling with their ability to maintain their fleet between preventative maintenance intervals. When you manually grease a piece of equipment, that requires that you shut that equipment down. The operator then has to climb on or in and around that piece of equipment, and that results in human error. They may overlook a greasing point, which could cause the premature failure of a component, which will add to repair and maintenance costs to the organization.
The high costs of machinery downtime and the ineffective manual process of lubrication are driving many of today's fleet managers to implement alternative methods and technologies. A subsidiary of Groeneveld Group, Groeneveld Lubrication Solutions is a leading provider of automated lubrication systems designed for transport, off-road, bus, municipal, and industrial applications.
Groeneveld was established in 1971 over in the Netherlands, and we quickly rolled out globally, and we operate in 30 countries around the world. We moved over to North America approximately 25 years ago, and we have a very strong footprint throughout Canada and the United States.
Groeneveld's automated lubrication systems put an end to manual lubrication, providing the precise amount of grease to application points at specific times. The systems feature a timer, pump, reservoir, metering valves, fittings, and supply lines.
Here at Groeneveld, we have many different types of pumps and products, but they all work under the same principle. They deliver grease from the pump out to distribution blocks where there's a measured amount delivered to secondary grease points. This whole system runs off a timer, which either can be air activated or electronically activated.
Lubrication takes place while the vehicle or equipment is in operation, spreading the grease optimally over the whole bearing or surface.
Automated lubrication system provides small amounts of grease at the right intervals. Allowing the machine to be in operation while delivering this grease ensures that the bearings will be thoroughly covered with grease and it will flush all contaminants.
We've been using Groeneveld's twin auto-lube system successfully on over 120 pieces of our rental fleet equipment, and we're in the midst of adding it to 50 more units this year. We found the twin system to be a very effective part of our rental fleet maintenance program as it prevents costly lubrication-related failures.
Groeneveld designs, develops, and produces the automated lubrication systems at its modern ISO-certified manufacturing plant in Italy. The systems are rigorously tested to guarantee an extended life and error-free operation, even under the most extreme conditions.
By utilizing Groeneveld's automated lubrication system, you can ensure that your fleet's going to be properly lubricated at all times. If you couple that with a preventative maintenance program, you'll see increased utilization of your fleet, as well as increased residual value and reduced repair and maintenance costs.
Purelator has been a Groeneveld customer for the past 10 years. We utilize the system on all of our trailers, tractors, straight trucks, and yard shunters. In the past 4 years, we started utilizing the system on our curbsides. What we're trying to do is reduce our overall life cycle cost and reduce the fleet downtime as well. I think we've been very successful in achieving both objectives.
As industry continues to demand top fleet performance, Groeneveld will maintain its role, providing innovative, automated lubrication systems that keep vehicles and equipment moving.